Let's unbox Mini Golf Designer. Mini Golf Designer is a Kickstarter game created by Thematic Games and funded in May of 2020. This came in the mail just last week. It's a 1 to 5 player game for ages 10 and up where you compete for the best designed 9-hole mini golf course for a pair of clients. The game should play between 60 and 90 minutes. The game components found within are of decent quality. Got a big bag of tiles, scorecards, tile tracks, and candy-looking cubes used for scoring. Scorecards aren't double-layered though, so expect some sliding. The rulebook is well written, which includes family and advanced level rules. There's also a solo variant in there. I got the game after hearing about the theme. I mean, it's mini golf. Scoring looks complex, but I'll get a few games in to really see. Come back soon for a quick review.